Hi everyone, I'm Smriti and from Delhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh God, I can finally say this. मैं बहुत टाइम से ये चाह रही थी कि मेरा एक YouTube channel start हो and finally here we are. This is my first YouTube video. I'm super excited about this channel and I promise all of you that this channel is going to solve most of your issues regarding beauty and fashion. So this channel is going to be about beauty, fashion, and I'm going to share a little bit about my lifestyle as well. Do support me guys if you find my content useful. So that's it for the introduction. Let's get started to our today's topic. So guys, I have thick flabby thighs and I'm wearing a romper for my first look. It's a little loose according to my figure and not fitted, and that's why I have styled this with a belt as you can see in the video. Make sure to buy a loose romper, only then it will do justice to your thick thighs. Also, you can pair this up with a sling bag or a backpack if you have. Another look is a maxi dress, and again I have styled this with a belt. I would suggest you guys to buy a maxi dress which is of quarter length and not something that is of full length, because that is more comfortable I feel, and of course nothing is better than being comfortable, you girls. Do not just run after the trends. Always style yourself in a way that is making you comfortable, okay? This dress is definitely flowy and gonna make you look really pretty. Next look is a dress, and this is the exact length that I like. This is not too long, not too short, and of course not body hugging. Always buy a dress that is little loose, okay? A little loose outfit is always a must for those who have thick thighs or curvy body. You can always tighten your dress from your waist area, but the upper part and the lower part from your waist should be loose, because that is what gonna make you slay, girls. And now a skirt with a slit. A single slit on your skirt or your dress really make your thighs stand out, girls. I just love this look. I literally make all the head turn whenever I wear this skirt with a slit in the public. I am pairing this with a sling bag that I've shortened, and I'm wearing it just like a waist bag or a bum bag, whatever you call it. And I'm slaying. Yeah. And now a denim skirt. Well, it's a must-have, girls. I would say don't buy a skirt that is completely straight, because that's gonna make your thighs rub each other so badly. So yeah, I would suggest an A-line skirt. An A-line skirt would do. I have paired this with a really cool t-shirt, and I really adore such tees. The another one is a jumpsuit, which is again a quarter length. Of course, if you are comfortable wearing a full length jumpsuit, then you can go for it, but personally I feel a quarter length jumpsuit is really amazing. You can wear this in a casual party. Imagine you are in a casual party walking, and the people around you are like, oh my god, look at that girl just laying in that jumpsuit. And that's how you roll, girl. Just try it out once and let me know. A palazzo. You should definitely buy a palazzo if you have thick thighs, and always buy a palazzo that is high-waisted and not low-waisted, because if it is low-waisted it gets accumulated around the crotch area, which definitely looks really bad. So yes, high-waisted is always preferred. Here I am pairing this dark green palazzo with a white kurta and a silver jewelry that I bought from Sarojini Nagar. This goes amazing together. You can always pair a palazzo with a shirt or a top, whatever is preferred. I'm showing you the printed palazzo here. The printed palazzo, the solid colors palazzo, I'm wearing a white kurta and a potli bag. Here is the mustard palazzo that I'm wearing with a white kurta. I love this kurta and palazzo look. It goes amazing together. It looks fabulous. And this jhola, I love this jhola. This goes perfect with this dark green and white kurta palazzo look. You should definitely give it a try. Now the bootcut jeans. You should definitely buy a high-waisted bootcut jeans other than a skinny or a straight fit jeans. This is gonna make your curves look even amazing. It does not make your thighs look larger, but make your curves stand out. You can pair this up with a top and a sling bag, just like I am doing. It's a very cool, funky kind of a dress that you can wear in a day out, or for the brunch, or for the breakfast, whatever you prefer. The another look is a skirt, an A-line pleated skirt that I'm pairing with a glittery top. This is definitely a party look. Whatever is preferred to you, a day party or a night party, you can wear this outfit and slay. I love this A-line pleated skirt. This is so trendy and this is perfect for the thick thighs. So guys, that was it. I hope you guys liked this video. Even if you did not like this video, do comment and let me know what were the things that I did wrong so that I can improve slowly and gradually. Also, I wanted to share with you guys few tips that you should not wear if you have thick thighs. So you should not wear anything that is of light color. Also, you should not wear anything that has stripes, be it vertical or horizontal, because it definitely tend to make your thigh look even thicker. Okay, so you guys should avoid such things. I have made a full video on this on my Instagram page. My Instagram handle is Smriti Singhal. You guys can go and visit my page on Instagram and check that video out. Also, for the YouTube, do like, share and subscribe if you guys think this video was worth it. Okay, thank you so much guys. I hope I see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.